Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe before you leave this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this gorgeous crochet pattern. It's just amazing. Looks complicated, but it's really not. Very simple. And I'm gonna demonstrate to you on this one today, and I'm gonna use this number 2.5 millimeters, and I'm sorry about my manicure. I'm just saying how bad it looks in the camera. I have to redo that. Anyways, not important to you. Number 2.5, and I'm gonna use this Cupcake Lion brand yarns, and is a light number 3. So you can use this for anything you like, making clothing, baby clothes, adult clothes, blankets. Will make a beautiful purse, bags. I think it's just gorgeous, just gorgeous. So let's get to work. Let's not waste any more time. Chain 20, 1, 2, 6, 7, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20. Now go with single crochet in every single one. Continue all the way to the end, and I'll see you there. We are now coming to an end of our first row, single crochet. Now turn around and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and go right here in the first chain with double crochet, and this is where the fun begins. Now yarn over and go right here in the first leg 4 times with a yarn over in the same leg 4 times. We already have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have something like this, and we're gonna pull right through all those loops, and then you close it. Yarn over and skip one and go right next to it. So basically the second one, second chain with the double crochet. We're gonna do the same thing, yarn over and go behind this leg 4 times. 1, again yarn over, behind, 2, 3 and 4, and we're gonna pull that thread all the way through, and then we close it. And we're gonna keep doing this all the way to the end. So yarn over, skip one and go in the second chain. This is gonna be our pattern. Once again, yarn over, go behind its leg here 4 times with the yarn over, 2, 3 and 4. Now when you pull this yarn through, make sure you keep it loose. Do not make it tight. It's going to be hard to pull it through. And I believe the chunkier these puffs are, the cuter they look, so no worry about that. Skip one, go in a second with a double crochet. Yarn over and go behind this leg 4 times. 1, 2, 4. Keep it loose and pull through. Yarn over, skip one and go in the second. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing this all the way to the end. 3 and 4. Okay. We're gonna do this all the way to the end, and I'll see you there. This is what we have so far. We are coming to the end, and we are close it with a double crochet. And that's our second row. Second row completed. We're moving to the third row. Turn your work around, and we are going to do chain 1, and on this row we are just gonna do single crochet. Go ahead with single crochet all the way in every stitch. Go ahead and complete that all the way to the end, and I'll meet you there. I'm coming to the end of my third row with 1, 2 more stitches. Now turn your work around and chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Chain over and go in the first stitch with a double crochet, and we're gonna do the same. And now we're gonna do the same pattern, the puffs. Yarn over and go right behind the leg with the yarn over 4 times. 2, 3 and 4. Remember, keep it loose when you get to this point, so you can pull it through comfortably. Yarn over, skip 1 and go right in the second stitch with a double crochet. Yarn over and go 4 times around the leg. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Keep it loose and pull it through. Well, sometimes you're gonna get into this situation and you're gonna have to start all over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is so much better. When that happens, that means you keep it too tight, so you have to loosen up. Yarn over, skip one, and go in the second stitch. And this is going to be your pattern once again for the whole row. Coming to the end of my 1, 2, 3, 4th row. Close it down with a double crochet right here in the end. Okay, turn your work around, and we're going to start our 5th row with single crochets, chain 1 first, and 2 single crochet stitches in every single stitch. Continue this all the way to the end. I'll see you there. Coming to the end of my 5th row, close it down with the last stitch here. Now turn your work around and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and go right in the first chain with a double crochet. Now we're gonna repeat the same puff technique, yarn over and go around the leg 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep it loose, relaxed, so you can pull the yarn through easily. Close it down and yarn over, skip one and go in the next chain. Okay, so this is gonna be our pattern all the way, and you can make this as big as you want. The bigger it is, the more beautiful it's gonna be. I'm not sure what you're gonna decide to use this pattern for, but I'm sure no matter what you use it for, it's gonna be amazing. I would love to see what you're doing, so please don't hesitate to tag me, maybe on my Facebook crochet group. You can find me there. You can find the links attached under my description, under the video's description. And let's close down the, what row is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th row. Let's close down the 6th row with a double crochet on the edge. Okay. Let's do one more row. Let's turn it around. And this thread is cheating on me. I was expecting to see more colors coming through. This cupcake lion brand I'm using right now, not very impressed because the distance between the colors is very long, unless you use this for a blanket or something. The design is kind of defeating. Okay, so chain 1, and now we're gonna do single crochet stitches. So hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It's free to you. Just click the button and it'll mean so much to me. I'll be greatly appreciative. Okay, and let's do one more row and I'm gonna call this the day. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over and go right next with a double crochet. Yarn over, go around the leg 4 times with a puff. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now keep it relaxed before you pull it through. And then close it. Now skip 1. One, 2, 3, 4. Do you find it's very easy and yet exciting, like I do? Three, 4. And let's close it with a double crochet stitch right there. So what do you think? We stop here? So you could stop here, of course. Okay, and let me show you if you want to take this to the next level. Now if